This is a small modification to the civig hand grinder. Disc of plastic. I like freshly ground coffee. I like the design on the civig. I am not going to pay an extra $20 for the motor because I have a drill. And so this is just quick demonstration. I like the little lid, and the drill's a lot faster. I'm just saying. I know that they put those motors are really cute. I mean, they're really nice. You push the button, and it takes a half hour to get the coffee ground. Sorry. Kind of an industrial. I mean, because the innards of the civig are industrial. It's really nice. Like I checked out the specs beforehand. So the actual grinder itself is really well built. And after this, the Civic Pro is probably going to come out with a better prototype. Let's see. Hi, everybody. At 0, that's the finest grind.